like, and subscribe.
Mga kabayan, araw ngayong linggo. Hanap naman tayo ng ating makuhaan ng video. Papunta tayo sa Buhangin, Davao City. Dadaanan natin yung Carmen, Davao del Norte at Panabo City, Davao del Norte. Tayo, samahan nyo ako sa Buhangin, Davao City. Let's go! Makikita natin ang Robinson Place of Tago, mga kabayan. At dito tayo padaan papuntang Davao City. Dito na tayo sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. Makita natin ang kanilang magandang plaza dito. Makita natin ang kanilang mall sa Carmen, Davao del Norte, yung Kaisano Grand Mall. Kanilang papasok tayo dyan. Yun ang kanilang Carmen Public Terminal. Yan, sa harapan natin ang kanilang munisipyo at gymnasium sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. Dito tayo, Panabo City. Dadaanan natin ang Panabo, Davao City, Davao del Norte. Dito na tayo sa Panabo City, Davao del Norte. Makita natin ang kanilang mga malaking building dito sa Panabo City. Kita natin ang kanilang Panabo City Market Complex. Malaking market complex sa Panabo City. Makita natin ang kanilang Panabo Gym. Yan ang Panabo Gym. Bago sila dito nag-araw ng Panabo. At dito makita natin ang kanilang magagandang Panabo City Hall. Yan ang kanilang City Hall, Panabo City Hall. Entering na tayo sa Davao City. Yun ang Lasang Davao City. Dito tayo dadaan sa Lasang Davao City.
Your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. So talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company and talk to me. Baby, won't you talk to me? I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your
Abot na tayo sa ating lakad. Thank you. At dito na lang hanggang susunod ko sa mga video. Salamat. Buhangin, Davao City. Bye bye.